Nuts are full of flavor, nutrients, and protein, but you can step up your snacking game with these easy maple candied nuts in a matter of minutes with just a few ingredients. Preheat a large skillet over medium to medium-high heat. Throw in 2 cups of unsalted walnut halves or pecans and half a cup maple syrup. Cook for about 5 minutes, stirring frequently. It's normal for the maple syrup to foam a bit. Avoid burning it. Remove from the heat when there's little to no syrup left in the pan. Spread onto parchment paper to cool. Be sure to separate your nuts so they don't stick together when they cool. Then dust with a touch of salt, no more than 1/4 teaspoon if you'd like. Feel free to add a little cinnamon. After about 30 minutes, they are good to go. These taste great on their own, as a trail mix, and they make a great topping for salads. Maple candied nuts in a matter of minutes. Thank you for joining me. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to make something else.
Food porn.